What's up guys, welcome back to Nifty Garage. Zach here. I'm going to show you how to change the heater hose connector on this Q50. It's a super common problem on the VHRs or DEs. They get all corroded and they break or they just leak. So I'm going to show you how to change this one on this Q50. Alright, so starting, we're going to remove the cover, the engine cover here. Come on. So go ahead and take this engine cover off. We're going to put a bucket under the car so that when we take the bleeder apart, coolant doesn't go everywhere. Alright. You can kind of see that it's bent up now, right there. And it makes it pretty hard to get the clamps off, but just reach down here now. Alright. One side good. Yeah, that's what they do. Is they look fine, but they just start falling apart. And put some pliers on this hose to hopefully kind of get plastic to not go down in there. Yeah, they just break off. Oh, because when these things are loaded, they're loaded. Look, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna replace these. They're super cheap. You could get them from Nissan. They have them in stock. We have a bunch of them because they always do this. You can kind of see it. It's bending itself up, so it makes the clamp pretty much useless to use. Alright, well, we got it all out. The vice grips have squeezed that hose so no plastic could get past and end up in your motor. Just a little bit. I'll take pliers out. This is the scary part. This is how they come. They come preloaded. So if this was to pop off right now, I've had them annihilate my fingers. So if you can get them loaded like this, it helps a lot, because then you don't mess up the clamps, and then you can take the pliers out and still get the clamp off. Slide these on here like so. Bingo. Alright, now I'm going to grab my bleeder cup. I usually put the extension with the bleeder fitting and then put this straight into the radiator. Okay, so it's full. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and fire the car up. Turn the heater on full blast to your face and to the floor. And that's when it comes out the most. And we'll go ahead and bleed this coolant. Still sometimes makes a mess, majority of the time actually. And if you guys want this funnel, go ahead and click the pop-up or down in the description. And that is how you replace your heater hose connector on your VHR Q50.